Here's a great video for the DIY, solving a drainage problem for under $10. And we're going to find out if it works. We're going to test it when we're done. But this is called vertical drainage. And I want you to see this because this could change everything as far as yard drains and French drains.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. You know, I came across a bunch of videos from the Netherlands, and these videos are about vertical drainage. In other words, it's not horizontal, where we run French drains and yard drains, things like that, but this goes straight down in the ground. Very economical, budget friendly. Take a look. What we're going to do is dig some holes and see if it actually works. We've got to get down below the hard pan, so it depends on how deep your hard pan is, but 24 inches is about the right depth. So take a look.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut off a section of sod. Use your shovel, cut off a square section about 9 square inches. Pop this out just like a plug and set it over on your tarp. We're going to put that back when we're done. Next, we're going to use the post hole diggers. Remember, we got to get down about at least 24 inches. Your hard pan might be deeper than that. It could be 36 or even 48 inches. So you got to get down below that hard pan. So I saw a bunch of videos from a channel in Finland, and they were using what's called vertical drainage. Although they did not show the results, it looked like an interesting project. So using your post hole diggers, dig down at least 24 inches or to your hard pan.
So a 22-inch hole or 24-inch hole, some fabric, just push it down in. Then we're going to put some gravel in there. You see that gravel right up to grade. Go ahead and fold your fabric back over, stuff it down in, put your sod back on. Vertical drainage. Will it work?
So we're going to cut a couple more holes here. The same thing, use your shovel, cut off a 9 by 9 square inch piece of sod, set it over on your plastic. Go ahead and use those post hole diggers, dig out that hole. Here's another section. So I'm going to put 3 small holes in here and fill them up with gravel just like we did with the first one. And we're going to test this system to see if it works. Pour that gravel in. Remember, we got to fold that fabric over the top, set the sod back on, push it down in place. The final hole, I'm just going to pour gravel and no fabric at all. I'm just going to pour it in there to see what happens with that. The water still should move down into the hard pan or below the hard pan and be carried away. Put your sod back on, and we're ready to test this system. Let's see what it does. Will it work? Vertical drainage. Okay, so after a rainfall, I know it's hard to see in the video. I'm zooming it in so you can actually see it, but it really did remove the water. And it was a pretty good rainfall, so that area flooded and that water disappeared, as you can see. There's still a little bit of puddling, but I think that will disappear within an hour and it will be all gone. So, for $10, vertical drainage. If you have no place to send your rainwater and your puddles, this will work. And it is a great way to remove standing water in your yard. It is much different than the French drain or the yard drain and catch basins. This is vertical drainage. You got to get down below the hard pan to make it work.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you enjoy it. Have a great day.